Perhaps more than at any other time in history, today's parents are concerned about the future of their children. They don't just want a child who will make the honor roll or who will get into college. They want a child who will be happy, caring, and compassionate. A child who can be assertive without being aggressive or violent. A child who can make and keep friends without succumbing to pressure to use drugs or be overly thin. A child who has the skills to handle life's frustrations without lashing out or losing self-esteem. How do you raise a child with such strengths? Are these qualities inherited, or can parents really have some kind of impact on how their child turns out? After 25 years of seeing children in a clinical pediatric setting, we have come to the conclusion that children act the way they do because of a complex interplay between some inherited traits, which for the most part cannot be changed, and the environment. Unfortunately, we as parents often do not know if the environment we are providing for our children will serve them well in adulthood until they are halfway through adolescence. Often this is because we parent as we were parented, without taking time to explore the extensive information now available about how best to influence our children. Throughout this book, we take the position that from the very beginning, we are training our children to be adults with whom we would like to interact regularly and whose company we anticipate and enjoy. In fact, we simply do not have the option of not training our children. Effective parenting requires that you have a long-term plan for what you want to teach your child about appropriate behavior, and that you have daily interactions with your child that foster the characteristics you find important. Our basic approach in this book involves helping you use your time, energy, and introspection to decide now what skills you want your child to have in 10 years.